Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting episode packed with mouthwatering recipes that will not only tantalize your taste buds, but also support your weight loss journey. Eating healthy doesn't mean sacrificing flavor. And I'm here to show you some fantastic recipes that will help you shed those extra pounds without compromising on taste. Let's dive into our collection of weight loss recipes that are easy to make and incredibly delicious. Point 1. Energizing breakfast smoothie. Starting off our day with a nutrient-packed breakfast is crucial for weight loss success. I'll be sharing my favorite energizing breakfast smoothie recipe that's not only quick to make, but also keeps you fueled throughout the morning. Packed with fruits, veggies, and a hint of protein, this smoothie is a perfect kickstart to your metabolism. Point 2. Zesty grilled chicken salad. For lunch, we have a zesty grilled chicken salad that's bursting with flavors. Grilled chicken provides lean protein, while the colorful array of veggies adds essential vitamins and minerals. We'll also whip up a homemade dressing that's light yet delicious, making this salad a satisfying and low-calorie option for your midday meal. Point 3. Spicy chickpea stir-fry. Dinner is often a crucial part of a weight loss plan, and our spicy chickpea stir-fry is a game-changer. Chickpeas are an excellent source of fiber and plant-based protein, combined with a variety of veggies and aromatic spices. This stir-fry is not only satisfying, but also helps keep you full, reducing the likelihood of late-night snacking. Point 4. Healthy snacking with roasted almonds. We all love a good snack, and here's a healthy option to satisfy those cravings: roasted almonds. Packed with heart-healthy fats and a satisfying crunch, almonds make for a perfect snack. I'll share a quick recipe to add a flavorful twist to your almonds, making them an irresistible and guilt-free option. Point 5. Hydrating detox water. Staying hydrated is crucial for weight loss, and our hydrating detox water will make sipping water more exciting. I'll show you how to create a refreshing infused water with natural ingredients that not only boosts your metabolism, but also adds a burst of flavor without any added sugars or calories. Point 6. Quinoa and vegetable stuffed peppers. For a delightful dinner option, I present quinoa and vegetable stuffed peppers. Quinoa is a complete protein, and when combined with a medley of colorful vegetables, it creates a flavorful and satisfying dish. Stuffed peppers are not only a visual treat, but also a nutritious choice for those aiming to maintain a balanced and low-calorie diet. Point 7. Green tea-infused oatmeal. Let's kickstart our morning with a twist on a classic: green tea-infused oatmeal. Oatmeal is a great source of complex carbohydrates and fiber, and by infusing it with green tea, we add antioxidants known to boost metabolism. This breakfast option is not only hearty, but also an excellent choice for those looking to support their weight loss goals. Point 8. Berrylicious Greek yogurt parfait. Indulge your sweet tooth guilt-free with a berrylicious Greek yogurt parfait. Berries are rich in antioxidants, and Greek yogurt provides a protein-packed base layered together. They create a delicious and satisfying dessert or snack that satisfies your sweet cravings, while keeping you on track with your weight loss journey. Point 9. Sweet potato and black bean burrito bowl. For a flavorful and filling lunch, try our sweet potato and black bean burrito bowl. Sweet potatoes provide a dose of complex carbs, while black beans offer plant-based protein combined with vibrant veggies and your favorite salsa. This bowl is a tasty alternative to traditional burritos, making it a nutritious and satisfying midday meal. Point 10. Cucumber and mint-infused watermelon salad. Ending the day on a refreshing note, we have a cucumber and mint-infused watermelon salad. This hydrating and antioxidant-rich salad is a perfect way to curb evening cravings. It's light, delicious, and a delightful way to conclude your day on a healthy and satisfying note. And there you have it, 10 mouthwatering recipes to support your weight loss journey. Whether you're a breakfast enthusiast, a lunch lover, or a snack connoisseur, there's something for everyone. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found these recipes helpful. Subscribe for more delicious content, and share your favorite recipe in the comments below. And watch this video if you never watched it before.